everybody, welcome back to my channel Red Elevator. I'm Nina Takesh, and today we are going to have an exclusive behind the scenes look at what I do in a day. We're going to look at how I manage my YouTube channel, how I live my life, and basically what it was that inspired me to start this channel. For that reason, I am dedicating this very special episode to my dad, whom I love very much, who's an architect and has really shaped my vision and has inspired me to be the absolute best person I can be. So Dad, this is for you. I started this channel approximately 8 or 9 months ago, soon to be a year, in order to share my passion with all of you. And it was really something that was very new to me. And I have to say that I'm still learning and I'm still doing the best that I can, but I am enjoying it very much. And I hope that you too can also share your passion with the world however you can. I know that if you share what you love, good things can always come out of it. One of the great things that has come out of this YouTube channel is my ability to share my vision and my love with all of you, and this is typically what happens during the day. I typically wake up early in order to be able to tackle the day. It's very possible that I check my emails, and 3 days a week I actually go to Pilates, but today was not one of those days. Luckily, that gives me a little bit more time to work on my YouTube videos. The days that I film YouTube are the days that I actually don't have time to work out, and I have to quickly get ready, doing my own hair, doing my own makeup, and trying to look halfway decent. I'll sit with my assistant, Zoe, and she's always really wonderful at taking copious notes and remembering everything that I have to do. I tend to overload my schedule, and therefore having Zoe keep track of everything that has to happen between collaborations and client meetings happens seamlessly. As you can see, here I am with new clients from Kuwait, actually, whose house I am designing. And this project is going to be extremely fun because the house that I'm designing is a modern marvel with beautiful glass staircase and a lot more. I'll do design boards for them, and they will go through images, and then we will do 2D and 3D plans until the project is done. In this case, we are going to be looking at design boards and making decisions accordingly. Additionally, I am doing my own backyard in my own home, as you can see, and I'll typically check on my projects, whether it's mine or clients. I'm always running around looking at different things from grout color to stone to how a project is coming along. It's helpful that this project is actually right in my backyard. Before I film my YouTube videos, I always have another meeting with my assistant Zoe, and we go over my script, and she reminds me of the important things that I need to highlight in that video, depending on the comments that I've received and what is going to make a video very successful. It's very difficult to put content together, to be frank, but if you do it because you love doing it, it actually does not feel like work. I do feel very lucky to be a designer and to be working in the field that I enjoy the most. One of the fun aspects of COVID is having my husband work from home. And that is really nice because he can definitely check in with me and give me a kiss every so often, but it also gives me the ability to order him around all day long. It just so happens that I'm filming today an episode of Red Elevator looking at small spaces. And thanks to Justin, my trusted videographer, who is extremely talented and very, very good with lighting and editing, I'm able to put out really wonderful content that is really getting a lot of views, and I also am grateful and thankful that you guys are enjoying this content. We check the videos, we check the photographs to make sure that everything is up to par. Since it is New Year's Eve, It just so happens that I will be going to my beautiful friend Robin's house in order to set up dinner for our very small 4-person New Year's Eve dinner. She's an amazing cook, and I love setting the dinner table and styling, so we have decided to have a beautiful little dinner at her home where she'll be doing the cooking and I will be doing the styling. I head out after a very long day's work to set up this beautiful New Year's Eve dinner table for 4, where her husband and mine will join us for a very intimate dinner. I love grabbing branches from the outdoors and meeting up with my beautiful friend Robin. And quite frankly, I did enjoy giving you guys a wonderful and quick little peek into what I do in a day and what inspires me to live my best life. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Red Elevator. Please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I can't wait to share more content with you next week.